up, boys? Today's video is insane. It was my fastest snowball, one of my most intense. Spawned in, I managed to get a lucky recycle at Oxham's. I heard a raid not too far, so I went to check it out. Yo boys, just to let you know, I was muted for about 5 minutes for the video. It was accident, but my reaction was pretty insane. Finding this little, it was more like a shriek, a little scream. After those boys left, I found some stone. Then I went to check out my area. Come to me. Come to me. Come to me, be my victim. Man, listen, man, we could talk about this. We could talk about this, okay? Come on, come closer. No, you're fucking bricked. You're bricked, buddy. Oh my god. Oh, 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 oh. Fuck did I tell you, huh? You fucking shit player. You shit player. You absolute brick. Holy shit. You absolute brick. Holy shit. Goddamn brick shit, man. I'm telling you now, yeah. That's how it is, okay? That's how it's supposed to be, you know what I'm saying? I forgot my ammo. It's my room kit, man. I'm telling you, man. It's giving me good luck. The same person I just killed was part of a bigger team, and he came straight back with his mate. Holy fuck. He's pressed. Oh, he's pressed. Oh my god, he's pressed and I gotta move. Oh, he's pressed. I know. Oh, all those criminal. 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 boys, I wanted to expand base so I wouldn't get door camped. Got an idea. Oh my god. I'm saying little sound. Take another little airlock there. Yo boys, so after building the base I wanted to continue the fucking snowball, so I decided to follow a raid which is not too far. However, I see these two kids coming out their base, so yeah. Give me walls. Holy fuck. No! Fuck, I fucking knew it, dude. I fucking knew it, dude. Like, stupid. Continue with your rage, dumb bastards. That was an unfortunate loss, but it didn't really matter, since what was about to happen next would make sure everyone in the area knew my name. The airfield crate was out, and I was going to win. Holy fuck. I'm out. Don't worry, boys. I came home for a quick depot and went straight back. there?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Your buns. Holy shit. No, I'm cooked here. Run. I have to loot. I need the meds. Just like that, boys, I'd won us nearly 2-3 rows of guns and much more to collect once I depoted and came back. But it wasn't over yet. There I can go. I can't celebrate, like I actually can't. Anything, this is a rust, dude. I'm telling you, anything can happen right now. I'm so scared for my life. I'm so scared. Like, I could lose everything to a bow, like, which is better than me with that. I'm saying, like, I could lose everything in fucking a second, dude. I could lose everything. I could lose everything. Oh my god. What a reaction, boys. This was about an hour into wipe and the whole area knew my name. After I depoted, it's time to go get the stash crate loot. Oh my god. I mean, it was literally scattered everywhere, dude. There's no way. How? How is that there? After depoting, boys, it was becoming nighttime, so I decided to run MBGs and go on a roam. Bro. Bro, my eyes going blurry. You dumb heel, bitch. You're insane, I'm not even gonna lie. Fortunately, boys, the MVG trip was cut short because there was no one in the area that would come out at fucking night time. Boys, I heard shots at airfield, so when I came to check it out, there were these people recycling. One dead. I knew it, bro. Remember this name, boys. Him and his team would have a huge impact later on into the wipe. Where am I gonna get ambushed from this time? Oh, if you're loaded, dude, I just lost my eyes. Yeah, my first blueprint flag, dude, I can't do it. You're just a droid, bro. You're a fucking droid. What do you mean, fam? have no walls. I'm next to everyone's base right now, dude. Like, what? Kinda angry he's a full kit and not running that many meds, you know what I'm saying? Like, it was good he had meds though. I'll say alright. I really care about this one blue per fragment, dude. Yeah, that's how fucked this game is, bro. That oh my god, he's getting ambushed. I'm so close to my base. This is not my base. Oh my god, it's 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 not my base. Really quick, boys, can we just, like, can I just ask how he didn't die to a double when he's wearing a hazy? Like, I'm shooting blanks. Nah, I've just lost that. No, I'm egoed. I've egoed way too hard. I've egoed way too fucking hard. No rules. Oh no, I do this every single time. Breezy. Breezy. Breezy, what are you doing? Breezy, what are you doing? Huh? Breezy, what are you doing? Your base is right there. What are you doing, Breezy? The Thompson's too powerful. The Thompson, I'm just fucking goated with this Thompson, bro. Like, I don't even know. I'm me. Get it, fam. After depoting, I let things in my area cool down, then headed to airfield since I had a lot of shots. I know that name. Them. For this next part, listen very closely.
Hostile UAV above.
Well, Karma is a bitch. We got him, boys. We got this team. What a fucking drone. Who has a drone on standby? That pissed me off. That was like terrifying. I'm not gonna lie. When I started seeing that, like, what, that was terrifying. Honestly, these guys are so gay. Officially, it's official. These guys are so fucking gay. These guys are so fucking gay. They actually had a drone, just in case, like, they in standby, like, in case they fucking died. Nah, you guys are gay as shit, dude. I'm sorry, but you guys are gay as shit. After gaining an absurd amount of loot, it was time to upgrade the gaff. What about this one? Ah. Oh, damn, I really like that. Oh my god. What a good Twitch drop this one was. Holy, I like this. This is my new personal favorite. What about this logo? Yeah. Boys, there was a raid not too far from my base, so I decided to check it out. The AK is so low, I can do this, dude. Oh my god, he's right there. They're all right there. Okay. Oh my god, they're so grubby. After dying, I went to their base with the DB. There we go. Well, boys, that's the end of day one. If you're still here, then can we get a day one? Day one, yeah. Still no tier 2. Day one, still no tier 2. Let's get that in the comments, okay? Well. I am not rated, boys. I kind of wish I was. I kind of don't want to play second day, but I guess I will. I think first things first, we gotta get some fucking upkeep. You know what I'm saying? Like, we gotta fucking farm. I'm not gonna bore you with that, okay? I just want to be mostly PvP today. I want to do a lot of PvP today. Maybe take Brad. Definitely try getting a tier 2. Alright, let me see how much sulfur I have. I forgot I had that fucking extra K in there. That's been in this since yesterday, bro. How much sulfur do I have? Okay, so yeah, okay. 12 months. No, I think. Is there nothing cheaper? Like 300, 3, 6, 9, 12. 500, that's even worse. Alright, boys, it's time to go to Outpost and get a TID 2. Hopefully, there'll be nothing in our way. Actually, it's like a couple hours to prime time. That doesn't mean there can't be people on. Come on. Come on. Hello, yes, yes, yes. I'm gone, my friend, I'm gone. This is terrifying. I'm gonna actually mark you. Yo, I just fucking sold him on that. This is his base. I believe so. Buddy, is this your base? When I'm gone. He peeked and he got beamed, but I don't know how I didn't get the kill. I don't know. Now we're in the fucking jungle. Alright. Let's see. Was it this one? No, some up here. No. 290. Wait, what? You don't need about one. And you have one in stock, buddy. Like, is it one at a time? I'm still confused. I'm just gonna act like everything's fine. Run, 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 run. Thank you for this fucking mini, dude. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Wait, what? 20 basic fragments can be pieced together to make an advanced fragment? Fuck off. But dude, I am fucking in shambles right now. Where are you? My sights. Holy. Mwah, mwah. Oh my god. You beautiful soul. Boys, we finally got a tier 2, and with that, I can finally craft these bad boys. With a little retro. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Oh, it matches really well with you, doesn't it? Go for you. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. After researching the things I wanted and doing some home repairs, I went to cargo. What? Holy fuck. Bro, what? Bro, what? Bro, what? What? He took the fucking rib. Oh my god, dude. As you saw, boys, that pussy took the rib and got off once I came. So I decided to go on depot and head straight back. Fear. Daddy is gonna die. I need to send them captains. You fucking pussy. No way. As the last guy left, I decided to wait for all the crates to finish and leave. Oh my god. Hold this. I literally need to go. I just can't hold this. Dude. I'm sorry, boys. I just can't hold this, boys. Oh my god. Oh my god, we need to go now. And I'm telling you, I can't hold this shit, bro. It's too powerful. Oh, fuck off if you have SAM sights. I'm actually gonna kill myself. You have SAM sights.
I can't. Sorry guys, I need to take a break and get a new keyboard.
Boys, after losing the easiest cargo loot and questioning my entire well-being, I spawned in and heard a raid, so I decided to go and check it out.
Go, shorty. it's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip Bacardi like it's your birthday. You know it's not your birthday. You can find me in the club, bottles full of bug. Mama, I got what you need if you need to feel the buzz. I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the club.
The fuck is these people is coming from, dude?
I'm in the having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug if you're in the getting rough.
Fuck.
When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on.
Is that Ellie?
When I roll 20 deep, so it's
I need to go.
now that I roll with Dre,
I'm gonna be stuck. I know what happened every time Ellie comes. After depoting the loot, boys, I decided to set up electric furnaces to make my life easier and auto smelt. Boys, after setting up the furnaces, I went to sleep, and the next day when I woke up, I was full raided. I hope you enjoyed this snowball, how we went from having a nail gun to having multiple boxes of loot. I had so much fun, pain, and trauma, but that's what Rust is. Take care, see you in the next one.